Welcome back to another stadium construction update for the future home of FC Barcelona. Right now, the stadium is going through a major wave of visible transformation, and the progress from above looks more intense than ever before. From structural expansion to continuous on-site activity, everything is moving forward at a pace that clearly shows how rapidly this project is evolving. So let's jump straight into today's update and see what's really changed at Camp Nou. The biggest story right now is clearly the expansion of the compression ring into the south goal area. And the moment the structure enters this section, the entire layout changes compared to the lateral side of the stadium. Previously, the pillars were positioned on the inside while the radial beams extended outward. Here, everything flips. The radial beams now face inward, while the pillars sit along the exterior edge of the structure. Two radial beams have already been connected using the flange sections, which means this sector is now prepared for the next major installation phase. Another pillar and another radial beam could be lifted into position very soon. High above the stadium, workers are spread across the structure inspecting connections, securing pieces, and preparing the next lifts. The pace of construction has become incredibly consistent. Every single day, crews are installing new components, whether it's a flange, a pillar, or another radial beam. And the compression ring keeps growing section by section. Another major visual change is happening around the south goal, where much of the scaffolding has already been removed. Only a few sections remain on the left side, while most of the area has now been cleared, revealing a much cleaner view of the stadium structure underneath. Along the second cantilever level, several elevated platforms remain active, with crews working directly on beams and interior framework sections. While the exterior here looks relatively calm, most of the activity now seems concentrated deeper inside the stadium. Construction also continues on the structural framework that will eventually support the sandwich panel system already installed on other mobility cores around the stadium. For now, those panels remain mostly on the lower levels, but the upper sections will follow later on. This interior section of Camp Nou shows the early museum experience, where corridors, galleries, and service passages are being structured into a clear visitor route. Behind the scenes, hidden technical work is in progress, including ventilation systems and access connections linking different levels. The level of planning here is really impressive and well organized. As we move through the space, you can see the layout taking shape, with areas forming future museum corridors and others being prepared for functional use. Even in this early phase, the structure already feels very well planned and structured. Outside the south goal area, preparations for the ceramic facade continue accelerating. Crews are actively adjusting anchor points and preparing the support systems that will eventually hold the ceramic llamas. In several sections, guide rails have already been installed between the anchors to ensure everything is perfectly aligned before installation begins. Meanwhile, elevated platforms continue operating throughout the lower levels and interior zones where workers remain busy advancing multiple structural tasks hidden behind the exterior framework. Lighting has become one of the biggest highlights of the latest update, with major progress now visible across the decorative facade surrounding the stadium. Large LED lighting units have already been installed on multiple exterior pillars. At the same time, similar LED systems are now being mounted directly onto the decorative slats themselves, showing that the Illuminated facade project is entering a much more advanced phase. In several sections, pairs of powerful LED units can already be seen attached to individual slats. If this continues across all three terraces, the new Camp Nou could look absolutely spectacular at night. The new third tier continues to grow rapidly, and the scale of the expansion is now clearly visible from inside the stadium. With every update, the upper structure looks closer to becoming fully complete. Construction crews have also started installing stair sections in several upper-tier areas, especially near the north corner. This is another important sign that the project is slowly moving beyond heavy structural work and into functional stadium access areas. The separation between the original 1957 structure and the new third tier also remains visible. This gap was intentionally designed to preserve the possibility of future renovations while keeping the new upper structure fully operational. As always, The lateral side remains the busiest construction area in the entire stadium. This section is completely filled with cranes, elevated platforms, workers, and huge quantities of structural material waiting to be installed. Since compression ring assembly began here first, the amount of prepared material is enormous. Multiple radial beams, pillars, and flange sections are now stacked throughout the site, ready for upcoming lifts. Nearby, crews continue assembling the large structural trusses used to position and connect the radial beams high above the stadium roof. Down near the corner section, several important developments are becoming visible. Crews have started installing guide systems between the anchor points to align the facade structure ahead of the ceramic llama installation phase. Elevated platforms continue operating throughout the area while workers prepare additional support brackets behind the structure. One of the most important milestones here is the completion of another diamond-shaped structural section, which has already been fully concreted. Most of the formwork panels have now been removed, revealing a finished section that only recently entered construction. At the same time, more workers continue operating throughout the surrounding areas while new structural materials keep arriving across the site. Before heading to the north goal, let's quickly look at this compression ring section, where a few important details remain. 2 flange pieces are still missing to connect the radial beams, while most of the main structure is already in place. A crane and several workers are active above, preparing the next structural lift. A pillar and radial beam are already installed, with a platform positioned nearby for upcoming work. It looks like another piece is about to be handled as construction continues. And with that, we move on to the north goal. The north goal corner is now becoming another major center of activity inside the project. New truckloads of ceramic llamas have arrived on site, with large stacks of panels now positioned throughout the area waiting for installation. These llamas will eventually cover both the bracket zones and the false ceiling sections beneath the structure. Several areas are already fully covered with llamas, while other sectors continue receiving support systems and alignment work. Workers are also applying protective coatings to beams, bolts, and structural connections across multiple levels of the structure. Additional black support beams have already been installed for the future sandwich panel system, although several smaller diagonal structural elements still need to be added before facade installation can fully continue. Even in sectors that appear visually quieter today, the amount of preparation work happening behind the scenes is massive. And now arriving at the Tribuna corner, we can see more activity and workers continuing their incredible job on site. There's noticeable movement here, with platforms already positioned and new ventilation piping being installed to connect different service zones, including the machine rooms. We can also spot crane activity bringing additional materials toward the VIP ring, while supplies continue arriving steadily across the site. Everything in this Tribuna corner remains active and well supplied as construction moves forward. Over in the Tribuna section, new sandwich panels have officially arrived on site. Large trailers delivered multiple panel sections that will soon be installed on mobility cores still waiting to be covered. Elevated platforms remain active around the first cantilever and structural bracket zones, while more support systems for the ceramic facade are appearing across several vertical sections. Some sectors still require protective painting and finishing work before the llamas can be installed, but the overall structure is clearly moving closer toward another major visual transformation. The overall stadium transformation is becoming more dramatic every day, with finishing work progressing simultaneously across the entire site as multiple phases move forward together. Camp Nou now looks more complete and modern than in previous months, with increasing construction speed revealing the future identity of the stadium more clearly. There is still a lot of work ahead, but the progress now feels real from every angle, and even bigger visual changes are expected in the coming weeks. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next stadium update.